My friends and future crypto millionaires, today we are buying more of the Trump crypto meme coin. But before we do, smash up that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell because we are approaching 500,000 subscribers here on this channel. A very nice uptick from yesterday's video about the official Trump coin. Congratulations if you've been here on the channel, because I shared yesterday I bought Trump coins at $20. I'm going to be a meme coin millionaire soon. Urgent. And what happened? Well, let's take a look at the price. It absolutely skyrocketed today at $71. Now, I said I'm going to buy more, but I'll let you know a couple little details, little nuances here in this video. So stay tuned. Watch it all the way to the end because there's some very important things I need to share with you right now. First and foremost, please understand I'm not a financial advisor. Full disclosure, I do hold these cryptocurrency assets. Crypto trading is very risky. Never risk more than you can afford to lose. And these videos are not financial advice. I'm just sharing with you what I'm doing with my own resources and educating you on the markets today and giving you some updates. So what are those updates? Well, Trump coin became one of the top 10 largest cryptocurrencies by market cap in less than 24 hours. The fully diluted valuation hit $77 billion. Now, I know a lot of people look at that number and they go, that's crazy, fully diluted valuation, it can't go any higher. But in reality, this coin is only 2 days old, okay? It's 2 days old. So that doesn't matter that the fully diluted valuation is $77 billion. It's not like all the coins are going to be unlocked tomorrow, okay? Like right now, this has a ton of attention, a ton of momentum, and people can't access this coin just quite yet. They're getting close to that, but they can't get at it just quite yet. And that's why we're seeing crazy moves. Justin, Trump has flipped SHIB to become the second largest meme coin by market cap. It also flipped the biggest meme coin, Doge, in fully diluted valuation. Doge, $55 billion, Trump, $62 billion. I'm not exactly sure if this is 100% accurate because I think it's somewhat close here. But again, flipping the biggest meme coins in the world, as we've kind of shared with you. And that was our thought process yesterday. Trump volume has been insane, 3.72 billion. The Bitcoin volume was only at 2.94 billion. Trump is literally taking over crypto right now. You also can see that Trump plans to sign executive order making crypto a national priority January 20th, which is tomorrow, creating a crypto council and guiding regulators to work in the industry and work with the industry. So huge bullish news. What are the really big bullish news things though? Assets added to the roadmap, official Trump. So according to Coinbase, increasing transparency for new assets on the roadmap, you can see you got QCAD, you have Toshi, and now you have Trump on Solana. This is huge, okay? You also have Binance listing this. So now it's going to make it very easy for normal people who have never heard about crypto before to just jump into this. They can go on their Coinbase, they can go on their Binance, and they can just buy the darn thing. So that's why I do think that there's some more upside now. If you want to trade Trump today, right now, I have an exclusive bonus going on with CoinW. Now, in the comments, people were having trouble understanding. You have to complete the 3 steps. You have to read the terms and conditions, and you have to actually execute on this very soon. This will not last forever. So if you do want these bonuses, make sure you follow each and every step. And if you want help trading in and out of these cryptocurrency coins, more market updates, we even have a new Telegram group for you that CoinW is doing. It's absolutely fantastic and it's absolutely free. So all these are great giveaways here because you've smashed up that like button, you've hit the subscribe button, and you keep coming back to the channel. This is a way for us to give back to you. And again, the participation is simple. It's easy. There's no KYC. All you have to do is just follow these steps to get the bonuses. Okay, now you don't have to do it either, but I'm just saying, you can get up to $200 or $300 worth of crypto for free in USDT. Now, it won't just hit your account right away, so you may have to be patient, but read the terms and conditions here, understand this, and if it is something that you're interested in and you want to join the free Telegram group, click the link down below. You will need to go through this process in order to join the Telegram group to get the signals and the trading stuff. But again, it's free to do. So there's a little bit of, understanding here. Take the time, do the steps if you want the free crypto. Now, we've talked about Trump. What is next for this industry? Well, according to CoinGecko, the top cryptocurrency narrative profits in 2024 last year were AI and meme coins. And I believe that's going to continue, and we're seeing this happen right here with Trump. Now, I drew a trend line here on the 5-minute, okay? The reason why I did this is because we're starting to see some consolidation here at 71, all right? Now, a few things can happen here, okay? okay? So let me just do a little bit of TA here with you. Here are the things that can happen. Number one, it can continue to trend sideways, okay? Number two, it could go lower and probably, try to get back to this trend line here. Both options are in play. Number three option is that it can go higher, okay? Up to 118, somewhere around in this area would probably be the next mark. So all three of those are in play. Now, if I'm being honest with each and every one of you, the higher it goes, the more risky it gets. So I personally am be buying more if it dumps down into this area within the next little bit here. But I do think we're going to see a pullback. And the reason why is because the inauguration for Trump is tomorrow. It's kind of a gigantic buy the rumor, sell the news. This is what this entire move is, okay? It's like buy the rumor, right? Sell the news. So shorting here, if you want to short, again, CoinW, you can buy, sell, long, trade, short. This is an opportunity for you to do that and get those signals. Shorting here could be an opportunity. Now, full disclosure, we bought in back here at 20 bucks, okay? This was us literally yesterday making our video right here, okay? So there's no reason any of you can come to this channel and be like, well, Joe, you didn't tell us about it, this and that. Look, if you're in profits of 235% and this thing dumps back down here and you don't take your profits, I can't help you with that, right? Think about that for a second, okay? Greed is one thing, okay? But being overly greedy is another thing, right? Like the amount that this has gone up is absolutely crazy in my opinion. Now, it could go higher, okay? Like there is like a reality where that happens, okay? But there's also a reality where that happens, and there's a probability, right? So let's say there's like a 30% chance that it goes higher and maybe a 70% chance that it goes lower, okay? Like, I don't know, I'm just making that up as we think about this in real time. You have to weigh the risk reward here, just like you had to weigh the risk reward here, okay? So as this continues, just continue to monitor the price action, and you can continue, like you can see here in real time, this looks like higher high, lower high, lower high, lower high. Maybe it does something like this, okay? Like it could be over. This could be the ultimate top, right? People thought that it was going to go to $100. It never really made it there, and maybe it just does this. There's that possibility too. Maybe that's like a 10% chance, right? But remember, this to me, the Trump meme coin, is not a long-term, I'm going to hold it for the next 50 years. This is a trade. Cryptocurrency altcoins I share on this channel are trading opportunities. You get in, you get out, okay? 99% of these coins, as I say in the disclaimer here, are going to zero, all right? It's what it's going to be. But if you want to play cryptocurrency, new coins, meme coins, and get in and, potentially make 2 times, 3 times your money within 24 hours, the risk reward is what I'm teaching you, okay? But you can't just diamond hands this thing for the next 20 years, all right? Well, maybe that'll work out with this coin if, something crazy happens. But my point is that if money's been made here, okay, you made your money, right? You better take some of it off of the table. Not financial advice, of course, right? I'm just speaking to myself here that, like, look, when these moves happen, okay, retracements happen too. This move happened, retracement happened, all right? So don't be surprised like, oh, Joe's buy it here at $69. No, that's not what I'm saying, okay? I'm saying that there might be another opportunity to get in before it goes higher, right? And if it does break this $75 mark here, then again, and it retests, that might be your entry point here, okay? So you might have to wait through all of this. And also, like, you could see that happening here on the 5-minute chart. This is the 5-minute chart, okay? You saw here, though, this was perfect, right? Almost. We broke out of here, okay, at 34, went to 38. We retested almost the trend line here, and then it was off to the races, okay? So you might be looking for something very similar here on the 5-minute chart. But then you also have to do even more. Go to the 15-minute chart. What's the 15-minute? Look at the 1-hour chart, right? Look at the 4-hour. If you look at the 4-hour chart, okay, and this is, some really good TA for you in my opinion, and I'm not like even a TA expert, but I can understand a few things here. This is off the trend line, okay? So typically, you see price action come back into the trend line. So I would not be surprised to see that it keeps bouncing. Now, if you break the trend line, that's a clear indicator then to short, okay? Because it's most likely going to continue lower here, okay? So you can win with this Trump coin in multiple different directions, whether you're going long or you're going short. Reality is, though, right now, that has the momentum to the upside, okay? And the higher it goes, the more aggressive it gets. And when it gets on the exchanges and the inauguration happens, that's typically a buy the rumor, sell the news, okay? So I personally believe that there's a ton of other opportunity that's coming for crypto because of all this liquidity that's come in. There's a few other coins that I want to share with you in this video. The first has got to be Solana, new all-time highs. We shared it in our video yesterday, okay? We literally shared it with you all right, I think, here. Okay, we shared Nope, that's the Trump coin one. We shared Solana in this video. Okay, right. Let's see here. Okay, Solana was at $243 in our video yesterday. Today, Solana is literally sitting at $283. It just reached new all-time highs. So congratulations, you've been here on Solana. Congratulations, you've been here on our channel, because we literally bought Solana. It's been our best performer in our YouTube buys at literally publicly $16.90. Okay, that's when we bought this. June 22nd, 2023. It's almost been 2 years. Okay, but that's how you get these massive gains. If you're coming in today, right, and you expect overnight results with some of these coins, we had to buy this 2 years ago. Okay, so the fun part of crypto is here. There's going to be a lot more opportunity, but getting in and getting out now is the idea. Okay, like holding, a lot of these new meme coins or whatever these coins, for the long run is not the play, in my opinion. It's more about getting in, getting out, and understanding the risk versus reward here. Okay, so what are some of those coins? Well, Solana and Solana meme coins have got to be like on your radar. Now, another one that's got to be on your radar, it's one that we talked about and we'll continue to keep talking about here, has to be Toshi. Why? It's going to be listed on Coinbase, the first meme coin on Base. Do you not think that coin's going to do well? I believe it's going to do well. And you're looking at right now a $200 million market cap. Okay, it's literally about to reach new all-time highs and beyond. This is one personally that I think, and I am holding, is going to break all-time highs and is going to go to at least $1 billion market cap, I believe. So that really, if we go to $1 billion valuation, that's about right here. Okay, so you're looking at like right around this area for Toshi. Okay, this could go to a penny, right? Like all the way up here is a penny. Like it could do that. Like I'm not saying it's going to. I don't want to like hype you up and give you like promises, but what I'm showing you is that like we've seen crazy things happen in meme coins. If Bitcoin continues higher, if this market continues higher in the next 3, 5, 6 months, and if we get an altcoin season like we've never seen before, why couldn't a coin like Toshi at a $200 million market cap reach the billions? The Trump coin went crazy. Okay, like this literally went to $13 billion. You don't think Toshi could hit 500 million to $1 billion? That's another 2, 3, 4, 5x. And it's going to be listed on Coinbase along with the Trump coin. So you better believe that a lot of people are going to go, oh, I missed the Trump coin. What are the other meme coins that I could get into, right? The whole market's going to start thinking like this soon again. The other ones I'd start looking at are other coins over on Solana, okay? So you look at Solana, go to CoinGecko, and you can start to look at some of the cryptocurrency coins on Solana, meme coin-wise, that I think are going to do well. There's a whole list of them. I've made multiple videos about this. I'll just share a few here very quickly. I would say the coins to look for, Pengu's got to be one. Dog with Hat's got to be another one. Bonk has got to be another one. Is like blue chip ones. But again, Solana to me has made a move. All right. I'm more interested now in Ethereum. Why? It's because look at this. Ethereum went down to $3,133. If now is the time, I believe, that this thing is bottomed or is bottoming. It's got to be the time for Ethereum to make up ground against Bitcoin and Solana. Now, I'm not saying that Solana is not going to go up too, because it will. But what I am saying here is that ETH might be undervalued versus other cryptocurrency coins. And there might be more value to look at ETH meme coins, other ETH coins. And again, we've talked about a ton of these on our channel. So I just wanted to share that with you here today, because my thought process is, okay, we got the Trump one. We got the Solana. We nailed this in 24 hours. We had 51,000 views. Thank you so much for all of your support here. Smash up the likes. We got to 1,000 likes. We got to get to 10,000 on these videos. The likes really help. So please smash up that like button. Boom, there. I did it on my own video too, to be a part of this. But please smash up that like button. It really, really helps. Okay. And again, I believe ETH is next. All right, I would not be surprised to see ETH. I don't know if ETH is going to go crazy to like $15,000 or $20,000. I don't think it's going to go that high. It's been struggling this market. I won't lie to you about that. But a $6,000 to $7,000 to $10,000 Ethereum is on the cards and in the table. On the cards in the table. You get what I mean? It literally is out there to potentially happen. So again, we talked about Toshi here as well. And if ETH is going to run, Coinbase coins, Ethereum, base coins are going to go flying like crazy. Because Coinbase's base blockchain is an Ethereum layer 2. I believe that trade is going to happen. I believe this is going to happen still. It just hasn't happened yet. Solana had its moment, okay? And it's going to continue to have its moment with the Trump coin. That's great. Good for them, right? But I still think that there's opportunity on other chains too that you're still early to. Toshi being one of them, okay? Other cryptocurrency coins over there. Mochi that we talked about, okay? This had a very nice move. This is another one that's super microcap, okay? This is very, very small microcap, $12 million market cap, okay? But if you look at what Toshi's doing, okay, it's going on Coinbase. Toshi, if you look at the chart here, okay, is going to have an insane weekly candle. This is huge, okay? If it can get above this, that'd be really big. If it gets above all-time high, that's really, really big. So watch Toshi here. I'd also watch Brett. This is probably, another meme coin that has definitely gone down while Toshi's going up. They're kind of switching, flip-flopping here. So to me, like, do what you want with that information. You typically want to do the opposite of what the market is doing, but, Toshi is clearly showing a lot of strength here. And Mochi is also Brian Armstrong's cat. It's the second cat. So could this actually get listed if people actually then rotate out of Toshi into Mochi? Like, imagine where this could go. So I'm giving you some more coins there. Another coin that I like right now, and full disclosure, we are ambassadors with Lingo. The TA looks great on this if it's able to hold the support. You had a great breakout here, as we called out. Breakout, retest, and now you were looking for higher, okay? So again, if the trade from Solana goes over to Ethereum, we start to see more ETH things happening, more memes, that could be really big. And we're also seeing more rotation out of the Trump coin. And again, I wouldn't be surprised to see that come down. Here's Pengu. Okay, this is one. Again, we are holders of Pengu. On the weekly, it doesn't look the greatest here. On the daily too, it looks like it's coming all the way, came all the way back down here, right? Came all the way back down. Maybe a double bottom forming though. That's huge before heading higher. That's something I like to see. So the fact that we've kind of hitting that double bottom is really, really big. Yeah, definitely one to keep a lookout there. Trying to think of what else that's really on my radar at this time. There's a lot of other cryptocurrency coins here. This Bertram one is on Solana. We've talked about this one. Again, it's clearing this and flipping this into support. So if you get move up, support, right? This could go higher too. And again, this is a $43 million market cap coin. Apparently, they might be listed on Kraken, which is huge. It's another exchange. Again, for a $43 million coin, there's insane volume here. I mean, you have $2 million worth of volume. That's really, really good volume for this coin. So something to look at here. I believe that all these meme coins now, because of Trump, is going to go crazy. And again, we're looking at this in real time. Trump's now down to 62. So again, could this roll over and come back down to this trend line and then go higher? Yes, watch for that. But like I mentioned many times in this video, okay, like your entry point here now is probably around this area here, okay, and to see if it bounces, that you could take a trade there, okay, and maybe it does a lower high and it goes lower, all right. So to me, the meat and potatoes of this has been made. Like, you're not going to probably get 100x out of this coin anymore. I'm sorry, but yeah, like something to think about here. There's different ways to play this, and I just wanted to share multiple different coins here with you today. So smash up the likes, hit the subscribe. Thank you so much. We are so close here. We're like 8,000 or 9,000 away from 500,000 subscribers. It means the world to me. Thank you for all of your support. And if you want to learn even more with me, click the links down below and join me in VIP and in my VIP course. Why? In VIP, if you click on our VIP HODL portfolio series, this again, we're up over $34,000. Every single every single portfolio that we've done in VIP has been profitable. Every single one. So the only one that hasn't been profitable yet here in VIP is the new 2025 one. Why? Because all the liquidity just got sucked into this Trump coin. Okay, so it might take a little bit of time for our 2025 portfolio to start seeing some gains. But for you to watch this now, you get even better entries. So again, if you're interested in learning with me, again, massive discount down below for you. I'm going to huge discount. Many more things are coming here, but I'm telling you, the education for this is huge. You're not going to want to miss out on what's going to potentially happen in the next 3 to 6 to 12 months in crypto. I've been here. Many of my students have made thousands of dollars in crypto. We're here for you. We can't wait to see you in VIP. So click those links down below. And thanks again for